Nice looking package. All you get inside the package is these two things: the USB cable with a C-type end and the gimbal itself. It feels very light in the hand and very compact. Obviously, if you want to stretch, you can stretch, and this part can rotate as well. Balancing is really simple as it only has got 2 motors to take care of. It can handle phones of 200 plus or minus 35 grams. My phone weighs 233 grams, which is very high for this tiny gimbal, but it still can handle it. After putting the gimbal into the standby mode, we can now rotate the roll axis. So this is the bottom of the phone, and if I keep rotating it slowly so that you can see, so this was the bottom, and the bottom, which was here, now is in here, which means it can rotate around 280 degrees on the roll axis. Don't try to roll it any further. Now if I rotate the pan axis from an initial position here in the anti-clockwise direction, it stops in here, which I would say around 280 degrees. So don't try to push it any further, and it is its limitation. Now if I use the joystick to rotate the roll axis, the limitation is even greater. So if I move the joystick at the bottom, it moves around 20 degrees in one direction, and if I touch the top of the joystick, it moves 20 degrees in the opposite directions. So I would say around 40 degrees it can roll using the roll motor and the joystick. To rotate the pan axis using joystick, initial position, I measure the angle on screen. Roughly it gives me 233 degrees for the pan motor. Obviously, you can increase its height by extending this like this. So this extra length that you get is 16 centimeters. And you can manually tilt it for 90 degrees. And you can create nice selfie footages of yourself using this gimbal. After turning off the gimbal, you can lock the roll axis as well as the pan axis. And now it is locked. I'm not gonna move even though it is turned off.